Investigations into the toxic humidifier sterilizers that have been linked to numerous deaths continues to widen. The former CEO of the Korean branch of Oxy Reckitt Benckiser, Shin Hyun-woo, was summoned by Seoul prosecutors for a second time on Monday. Before entering the prosecutor's office in the morning, Shin offered an apology and promised to spend the rest of his life doing everything he can for the victims' families. Shin is considered a key figure in the case as he headed the company when the toxic cleaners hit the markets in the early 2000s. This comes a week after the current chief of the Korean unit issued a formal apology for the first time since the Korean government made the connection between the sterilizers and the deaths 5 years ago. Families of the victims and some 50 civic groups are set to stage a week-long public boycott of Oxy products starting from Tuesday.